Before continuing, I'd like to provide an update on our preparations for the incoming hurricanes. We have some really big situation confronting us. It's coming in fairly fast, and it's going to be one of the biggest to ever hit the East Coast, one of the biggest to ever hit our country. Maybe something will happen, but it's looking like that probably won't be taking place, unfortunately, meaning veering away from land. My administration is in close coordination with state and local authorities and FEMA. These are tremendous people also, as you know, has already placed extensive resources on the ground, including search and rescue experts, power restoration, and medical support. Tremendous people working on the hurricane, first responders, law enforcement, and FEMA, and they're all ready, and we're getting tremendous accolades from politicians and the people. We are ready, but this is going to be one of the biggest ones to ever hit our country. Residents in the path of these devastating storms should comply with all evacuation orders and other emergency instructions. Protection of life is the absolute highest priority, and that's what we're doing. It's called protection of life. So God bless everybody and be careful. Thank you. Thank you.